So after seeing how much power the airflow dynamics unequal header was trapping in the last flex tuning session, yeah, I put the stock header back on, and here we are back again. Although it's a little bit worse weather, like 75% humidity, 86 degrees out, so just a smidge off there, but you still see very clearly in the results that it was needed to go back.
That's 15 foot-pounds more than in February.
And it's hotter.
And it's, yeah, and it's 80% humidity or something.
So,
so yep, she wanted it back.